Okay, well, it's time to turn the old van into a camper. I've done about all I can do with buying stuff just to put in here. So now is the time to get busy and install it all. My old work truck, so it's going to be a little bit worn out already. That's the hole where the fan's going to go. Luckily, it's already pretty rusted out, so I've got a good start on a hole. Yeah, there's my solar panels. And some tools, and that is the fan I'm going to be putting in. Yeah, the roof was pretty messy, so it's now mostly tape and white coat, rooftop coating. Works pretty good so far, so good. All the windows are pretty much blacked out with insulation, and I've got the big one up in the front. And I kind of checked it out, and it's very black. Stops all the light. Okay, this ought to be fun. All right, measuring inside, because I cut the inside hole first, and I'm kind of thinking that was a bad idea, but I think I could straighten it up by drilling a hole dead in the center of this one lowered rib, and then I can adjust the inside hole somewhat. Let's see if that works. Okay, well, cool. Wasn't me peeping. We'll try to get back to this and see what happens here. Yeah, I'll probably have to cut another quarter that way. Yeah, I probably have to go all the way around, bitch. Maybe not. Okay, we're gonna get up on the roof and see what happens. Okay, implements of destruction or construction. Now we center this up. Okay. Looks pretty good. Kind of eyeballing this. And it's going to be right on the edge, just like it was last night on the video. So, let's see what we can do. Okay, that ought to give me a mark. Now, seems like everybody else uses a jigsaw and a drill to start these things. I'm not going to do that because I have this dude here. So we're going to use it. I got a feeling the battery is not up to snuff. Yep, new battery time. 1 moment, please. Okay, we're back. Okie dokie. That's one. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm gonna try to avoid sticking my head out the hole like everybody else, but pretty good piece of stuff. Well, I might be able to do it like this, yeah. Okay. First I gotta blow some dust off. Okay, I couldn't resist. Okay, so we got it up in there. A little bit of a gap, but that's what the trim's for. And then we can see it. Okay, it's kind of in. I got to find a wire now that's got, I think it's a 5mm connector would be the best way to go with this thing, so that it will plug into the battery right there. So it will run the refrigerator right here and the fan without running the car battery down. We hope.